Hey there and YouTube, what's up? Right, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the best and working executor for your Roblox game, and which is Delta Executor. And in this tutorial video you are going to find how you can download the updated version of the Delta Executor along with the activation key, as you can see here. And that's the Delta Executor require the activation key, and I have gotten already. And in this video you are going to see how I have got it on my iOS device. And as you can see, this is the updated version as well. So this is the Delta Executor. Okay, and let me get straight to the tutorial so that you can get to know where to get that. In order to do that, what you need to do, open up your settings over here and go to the battery and make sure the low power mode is turned off, and go back and go to the general and go to the background app refresh and make sure it is being turned on over here, Wi-Fi, under the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back to the settings and scroll down to the bottom. There you'll find the apps section and go to the app store over here. And what you need to do is, under the automatic downloads, you will find app download, app updates, and in-app content. Make sure they all are turned on. Okay, now you are done here. The configuration part is being done. Now open up your Safari or Chrome browser, any which you are using frequently. Since I'm using the Chrome browser, and go to the address bar and type this. Okay, dexecutor.com. Okay, and now this is the website, guys. As you can see, within seconds, features. Okay, let me tap on iOS download button. Let me confirm it. Okay, so the file is being started generating for my iOS device. It usually detects the UGID so that it will inject the directly. Okay, that's how you can get the Delta Executor as well. Okay, let me search for the script in the blocks root. Here's the script blocks, and that's the Delta Executor. Okay, and that's the setting part. And let me search for the script. 99 nights. Okay, here I have got a lot of script. One is universal script, Forge Hub, 15 plus games, OP features, automatic farms, and so much. Okay, script editor. Okay, there you go. And here you see how I have gotten that the hack version of the 99 nights in the forest, so that you can auto farm, auto kill, and so many things you will get to using the Delta Executor by this way. Okay, so enjoy the free Delta. Thanks for watching, guys.